vegetarian. I came by to see all the changes made by the city and the downtown businesses so it's safe for everyone to use.
There's so much to see. Staff have worked really hard to ensure that downtown is safe and accessible for everyone.
It's amazing to see everyone taking public health measures to heart.
Thank you, Dr. Salvatierra. We're really proud of these changes. Enjoy all that the downtown has to offer.
If you plan to dine out with your household, be sure to call ahead to reserve your spot. Keep 2 meters distance from anyone not from your household. Don't forget to wear a mask, particularly if it's busy or crowded.